All right, so let's talk just a little bit about facts. And I know you're thinking, but Dr. D, you said we're not going to use a lot of facts in a pitch. Well, you're not going to use a lot of really hard facts. You're going to use simple statistics, right? Because the people that you're pitching to have got a lot on their mind. Let's keep it simple for them, right? If they want a lot of really complicated statistical data and competitive analysis, they can ask you for that in your business plan, okay? So we're going to focus on the simple stuff for now. And so we're going to talk about what I call the use of facts, also known as possibly logos. Okay? And let me give some examples. You can appeal to what we call a generalized experience, and here's an example of one. Okay? He says, I'm sure at some point in your lives you've all gone traveling, you've ended up in a new place, and you've not exactly known what to do, who to see, where to go. In fact, you've probably wasted the first 4 days of your vacation just like a headless chicken. So what we're trying to do is propose a network of local people, right, who are interested in helping tourists, helping people from outside the community, and you're basically buying their time. So by the time you land at your vacation spot, you know, they meet you up, they escort you to the local coffee shop, they talk about what they can provide you, they buy their groceries for you, and they can do it all more efficiently than you can do because they're locals. This makes sense in terms of facts, right? We've all been on a vacation. We've all been confused in a new place. Okay, I got that, and this is what we mean by facts. Now, granted, it's not the best pitch because especially now with Yelp and Google Maps and all this other stuff, it's not exactly the most efficient thing. But you also have to remember this pitch was conducted long before the sharing economy really became a thing. So there was less of Yelping and all this other kind of stuff on the internet. But so it made a little bit more sense at the time than it does now, but at least you get this understanding of kind of a generalized experience. And you have to be careful with generalized experiences because of the fact not everybody has the same generalized experience. Ask a dozen people, like when you're doing your feasibility analysis, if your generalized experience jives with their expectations. And I think that'll help you a lot. Now here's another one. The guy says, I'm a YouTuber. In fact, I have 25,000 subscribers. And I have almost 3 million views. This is what I'm having trouble doing, is finding people that make the similar videos to me and who are willing to work with me. That there are almost 1,200 hours of YouTube video loaded every second, and there's no way to actually connect creators so that they can co-create videos until he introduces his product. Okay, this makes sense, right? You've got loads and loads of creators on YouTube. This is somebody who has a lot of subscribers. I mean, if my channel's any indication, I've been doing this for, I don't know, a few years, and I've got 550 subscribers, right? He's got 25,000 subscribers. That's an accomplishment. That's a good use of facts. And he talks about how there's all this stuff going on YouTube. Again, very general facts, so anybody can follow that, right? And there's no way for him, other than, of course, screening every single video and messaging people, which is a tremendous waste of time. He talks about that in a later part of his pitch. This is a way for people to put in keywords so that they can meet up and they can co-create videos and so that everybody benefits. This makes sense, okay? So it's an app using YouTube. The next video, I'm going to talk about the use of metaphor. I think this is hugely important, so definitely buckle your seatbelts in. We'll talk about this in the next video. As usual, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Great. I'll see you in the next video.